Today I am going to discuss about fiscal policy in India. So welcome to my YouTube channel Mechanical Engineering Management. From this figure you can understand the mechanism of fiscal policy. Now let's start with the meaning of fiscal policy. The term fiscal has been derived from the Greek word fisk for basket, which symbolize the treasury of the public purse. So it is one type of the basket, or we can say treasury for the public. A government uses fiscal policy to adjust its spending and tax rates to monitor and influence the performance of the country. It is a sister strategy to monetary policy. The fiscal policy is used in coordination with the monetary policy. Using a mix of monetary and fiscal policies, government can control economic phenomena. Now see the objectives of fiscal policy. Fiscal policy is designed to obtain the following objectives: desirable level of prices, desirable level of employment, desirable level of income distribution, to promote domestic industries, proper utilization of economic resources, to increase foreign exchange reserves, reduction in burden foreign debts, control on the concentration wealth, trade and industrial development, financial assistance to low income group. And here you can see, if government spending is more than tax revenue, then it is called as the expansionary fiscal policy. If government spending is less than revenue generated by the taxes, then it is called as the contractionary fiscal policy. Now let's see one by one all these different objectives of fiscal policies briefly. So let's start with the first one, desirable level of prices. The desirable level of prices can be achieved with the change in rate of taxes. Higher taxes are imposed on luxury goods and lower on consumer goods. Here you can see on the luxury item more percentage of the taxes are imposed, whereas in case of the consumer good there is a less tax. Now second one, desirable level of employment. Full employment is the common objective of fiscal policy in both developed and developing countries. Public expenditure on social overheads help to create employment opportunities. In India, public expenditure on rural employment programs like Manrega. Next, desirable level of income distribution. Higher income taxes are imposed on rich people so that there may be equal distribution of wealth in the country. And here you can see this is the Union Budget 2020 in India. If your income is up to 2.5 lakh, then there is a nil tax. So if your income is increased, then definitely you can see over here your tax slab is also increased. And here this is actually tax slab before Union Budget 2020 India, and this one is the tax slab after Union Budget 2020 India. Now next, to promote domestic industries. Desirable level of domestic consumption is achieved by imposing higher duties on foreign products and less duties on national products so that domestic industries may be developed. And for that, Make in India is a mission that is promoted by India. And from this figure you can understand, to control the foreign products in the India, there are higher duties on the foreign products. Now next one, proper utilization of economic resources. Deficiency of capital can be removed by taking some fiscal measures like taxation, introduction of saving schemes, etc. Thus, the capital so arranged can be used to utilize the economic resources properly. So, by imposing more taxation, you can generate the revenue, and that capital can be arranged to utilize the economic resources properly. Now, next one, to increase foreign exchange reserves. Exports can be increased with the help of some fiscal measures, which also increase our foreign exchange reserves. Next, reduction in burden foreign debts. The main object of fiscal policy is to have a good alternative of foreign loans in the form of domestic resources. These resources may come from the taxes, savings, etc. Next, control on the concentration wealth. Another objective of fiscal policy is to restrict the concentration of wealth in a few hands. The policy of progressive taxation helps to achieve this objective. Next, trade and industrial development. One of the objects of fiscal policy is the development of trade and industry in the country. For this purpose, loans are provided, tax exemptions is given to some industries, and industrial estates are established. Such measures not only increase the government revenue, but also bring economic prosperity in the country. Now the last one, financial assistance to low income group. Government provides financial assistance to low income people through making transfer payments like pensions, scholarships, unemployment allowances, special subsidies. If you want to see more videos, then subscribe my YouTube channel and go to playlist. Thanks my dear friends. Press the like button to appreciate this video.